Welcome to TechBee, where we find the gear that genuinely changes how you hear your music. Today we are talking in-ear monitors. And if you have never owned a proper pair of IEMs before, get ready. Your ears are about to be opened. Let's get into it. Starting the list with the one that proves you do not need to spend a fortune to hear music properly. The Sennheiser IE200. This is Sennheiser's most affordable entry into their legendary IE series, and it punches well above its price tag. The key is the 7mm true response transducer, the exact same driver technology used in the IE300, IE600, and IE900, which are some of the most respected IEMs in the audiophile world. At just 4 grams per earpiece, you barely feel it in your ear, and the MMCX detachable cable means you can replace it down the line rather than throwing the whole thing away. The dual tuning system lets you subtly adjust the bass and treble response by repositioning the fit, a nice touch for personal preference. The sound signature leans neutral with impressive bass extension for the driver size and very low distortion, even at higher volumes. For anyone stepping into the audiophile IEM world for the first time, or anyone who wants honest, reference quality sound without spending flagship money, the Sennheiser IE200 is the place to start. The link is in the description below. Next up, the one that has been a staple on stages and in studios for over a decade, the Shure SE215. The SE215 is genuinely an industry standard. Musicians, engineers, podcasters, and everyday listeners keep coming back to it because it simply gets the job done, every single time. It uses a single dynamic microdriver with a warm, full-bodied sound signature that favors bass and lower mids. Smooth, rich, and never fatiguing. The passive noise isolation is extraordinary at up to 37 decibels, which is close to what you would expect from custom-fit monitors. It blocks out the world. The over-ear cable routing with memory wire stays locked in place no matter how much you move, and the detachable MMCX cable means this pair can last for years with nothing more than a cheap cable replacement. It comes in multiple colorways, and Shure's build quality is as bulletproof as it gets for performers, commuters, gym goers, or anyone who needs great sound with serious isolation. The Shure SE215 is one of the best value IEMs ever made. The link is in the description. Now here is the one that broke the budget IEM market wide open, the Fanmusic Truthear Hexa. The Hexa is a 4-driver hybrid, one 10mm dynamic driver handling the bass, and 3 custom balanced armature drivers handling the mids and highs. Each driver handles its own frequency range with no crossover overlap, and the entire configuration runs in a full band, same phase design, so everything fires in perfect synchronization. The result is a sound that is balanced, detailed, and genuinely impressive for the price. The sub-bass digs deep and stays controlled. The mid-range is clean and clear, and the highs are smooth without being sharp or fatiguing. The 3D printed resin shells are lightweight and comfortable for long listening sessions. The triangular aluminum faceplates look genuinely premium, and the silver-plated copper cable included in the box is better than what you get with most IEMs, twice the price. If you are serious about your music and want to hear what a hybrid driver configuration actually sounds like, the Truthear Hexa is a revelation at this price. The link is waiting in the description. For those who want an exceptional single dynamic driver IEM at a price that seems almost too good to be true, the Linsoul TANGZU Wan'er SG is exactly that. TANGZU is a brand deeply rooted in Chinese history, and the Wan'er SG pays tribute to one of the most celebrated women of the Tang dynasty. And the attention to detail shows in every aspect of this IEM. The 10mm PT diaphragm dynamic driver uses an N52 neodymium magnet architecture with a dual-cavity internal magnetic circuit, delivering a smooth, full-bodied, and clean sound signature that has been tuned and refined across 5 development iterations. The result is a warm, musical presentation with satisfying bass, natural mids, and gentle highs that are never harsh. The 3D printed resin shells are ergonomically shaped for a comfortable all-day fit. The faceplates are printed with an auspicious cloud pattern in black and white, representing yin and yang, and the detachable 2-pin cable makes it easy to upgrade later. For anyone who wants a beautiful sounding, beautifully designed IEM without spending much at all. The Wan'er SG is one of the greatest value for money IEMs you can buy right now. The link is in the description below. And closing out the list with the one that brings genuine audiophile craftsmanship to an entry-level price, the MEZE Audio ALBA. MEZE Audio is a Romanian brand known for making some of the most celebrated and beautiful headphones in the world. Products like the Empyrean have won awards across the industry. The ALBA is their most affordable IEM, and they named it the First Light in Romanian, because it is designed to be the first real step into elevated audio for newcomers to the hobby. It uses a single 10.8mm dynamic driver in an aluminum and zinc housing with a 32 ohm impedance and a frequency response of 15 Hz to 25 kHz. The sound signature is warm neutral. Bass is impactful and deep with excellent texture and layering. The mid-range is natural and present, and the treble is smooth and expressive without ever tipping into sharpness. The build quality is exceptional. Solid metal, premium feel, stunning pearlescent white aesthetic. A USB-C to 3.5mm adapter is included in the box, which is a genuinely thoughtful touch that most brands skip even at higher prices. For anyone ready to step beyond budget, IEMs, and hear what real audio engineering feels like. The MEZE Audio ALBA is an outstanding first taste of what this hobby is all about. The link is in the description below. That is the lineup of the best IEMs in 2026. Whether you want the neutral precision of the Sennheiser IE200, the legendary isolation of the Shure SE215, the hybrid detail of the Truthear Hexa, the incredible value of the TANGZU Wan'er SG, or the premium craftsmanship of the MEZE Audio ALBA, there is a pair here that will completely change how you listen to music. All the links are in the description. Go check them out. I will catch you in the next one.